So this is the 4.5 geometry quiz. It's really easy. Let's start. So the equation of the function graph for between 0 and 360, so you only need one cycle, is y equals, to find the first value, you're gonna look at your first point that's touching like the lowest point, the first lowest point. Here it's at -4, so that's your first answer. And oh wait, sorry guys, this is not, yeah. You're gonna go down to your first point, which is at -4, and to find this value, you're gonna have to see, so we know for sine, it's one complete sine is this, it's one up and one down, that's one complete sine. So because it's still 360, and here you had, if this is one complete sine, then you had two complete sine graphs. That's it. That's how you solve it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If you had 4 times where it touches, actually no, sorry, 4, it's not 4, it's 1, 2, 3, yeah, it's 4 times where it made a touch for the highest or lowest point, it's the x is gonna be 2. Now moving on, the equation function graph for, again, forget the fact like I didn't have time to redo the quiz, so I understand it all. Anyways, the function graph for between 0 and 360 is y something sine x. So look, what they want you to find is -2, right? So to do that, you're just gonna take 1, which is your starting point, minus what gives you -2. So it's 1 minus x gives you -2. X is 3. And you just, that's how you find this value. It's literally it. Now, moving on. So which one does not represent 3 tan x? Or does not belong to the graph? So for tan, we know that its graph are look like asymptotes. So what we know about them is they'll first start like this. Then from your second point, it should go like this. Then again, it's gonna go like this. And then this one is the only odd one out, because like it's not supposed to go through here. It's supposed to be like something like this. So it's not gonna pass through L. So L is wrong. That's it, how you solve it. Now let's move on. Oh yeah, this answer is right. Anyways. So which of the following does not belong to the graph 2 sine y? So 2 sine y is just means your vertex is 2. So you're just gonna draw it. Every time you have to cut at a point, okay, before touching your next point. Then again, you're gonna find the let me draw it better. And it's gonna, after that, cut like this, then like this again. Wait, I did something wrong, didn't I? Yeah, what's this graph? Oh my gosh. Totally graphed it wrong. Anyways, again. Guys, I'm not the best at graphing, so just bear with me. Okay. So if you can see, it doesn't belong to n because n is the only point that's not, like, look, when you want a point that represents this, you're gonna have to have it at either the x-axis or any of the two 2's, like here or here. So since n is at 1, what's n doing? It's not a point on this. So your point has to be like somewhere here. Then you go down and cut, then at 2 again, and then here. n is the only one that's at 1. It doesn't have anything to do with any of the other ones. So that's it. And so let me explain it again, because maybe you didn't understand. So look, every time you have a sine graph, it's gonna go up till you're this number, or down if it's negative, then go down, and it has to cut at the x-axis. Then it's gonna continue down until it cuts at 2. Then you're gonna go back up until it cuts at the x-axis again. Then you're gonna go up until you reach a point that's 2 again, and then you're gonna go down so it can cut. Actually, this is more likely gonna be somewhere here. And then it's gonna go again and cut, and then you're gonna it's gonna look something like that, okay? N is the only one that's not at 2, or not at a point that's either the mid or the x-axis, aka 0 or 2, or negative 2, okay? That's why. Hope you understood everything. Bye.